So I got this message that said, "Welcome, Andrew. It's my name. How did I do this?" And it's whenever I open the sheet. In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically hide tabs if you're not the owner of the sheet. And if you are the owner of the sheet, it'll give you a welcome message. So let's go to Extensions, AppScript, and do this. When we're in AppScript, we need to create only one function called onOpen, and that's with a capital O. We need to get two user pieces of information. One is, we need to know who the user is. So we're going to get session.getActiveUser, and we're going to get the email address of the active user, and we need the owner. And the owner is equal to spreadsheetapp.getActive spreadsheet get owner.get email. Now, if user is not equal to, meaning this exclamation point means not equal to, not owner, then we're going to do spreadsheetapp.getActive spreadsheet get sheet by name. We're going to say the team tab we want to hide, and hide sheet. But if we are the owner, meaning this is true, we're going to say else spreadsheetapp.get alert, and we're going to say good day, Andrew. Welcome to your sheet. Save. Now, save all of this, and if we close it and refresh our sheet, it should give us a message. Good day, Andrew. Welcome to your sheet. Now, if I change the user to someone else, it might take a moment to load the AppScript to execute it, but it will. Did you see it? It actually hid the team tab. It's still here, it's still accessible, but it just hides tabs that the person who's not the owner of the sheet might not need to see right at that moment. Hopefully this was a really helpful video and fun video to add a little interesting user experience to your spreadsheets. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.